Google, Nvidia, AMD, and Harvard just disclosed they own a combined $118 billion worth of SpaceX. I'm Elsie Sky. Welcome to Russo Pulse. Let's break down what recently happened. On August 14, 2026, the Security and Exchange Commission filings dropped, and they revealed something extraordinary. Google invested $900 million in SpaceX back in 2015. At the time, that seemed like a smart bet on a rocket company. Today, that stake is worth $94 billion. Crazy, isn't it? 900 million became 94 billion. That's a 100-fold return in 11 years. Nvidia's position is equally stunning. In January 2026, Nvidia invested $10 billion into xAI, Elon Musk's AI startup. 3 months later, Musk folded xAI into SpaceX through an all-stock merger. That $10 billion investment instantly became a $21 billion SpaceX stake, a 100% gain in 3 months. Harvard Management Company, which oversees one of America's largest university endowments, revealed a $2.2 billion position in SpaceX. It's now their single largest holding. AMD, despite being snubbed for SpaceX's chip contracts, still invested $566 million. Combined, $118 billion. Here's what makes this a story. These aren't random investors throwing money at a flashy company. These are the world's most sophisticated capital allocators. Google's early bet proves they saw something a decade ago that most people missed. Nvidia's move shows they believe SpaceX's future computing business is worth more than the current market values it at. Harvard's conviction signal suggests institutional capital sees generational wealth creation ahead. The deeper pattern. All 4 investors control critical infrastructure for the AI era. Google owns data centers and search. Nvidia owns the chips powering AI. Harvard owns academic talent and capital. AMD owns semiconductor manufacturing. And SpaceX owns rockets and now orbital compute capacity. They're not just investing in Musk, they're locking in positions in the infrastructure layer of the future. SpaceX recently announced it will expand AI compute capacity from 2 gigawatts to 10 gigawatts by late 2027. That's billions of dollars in infrastructure spending, and all of it runs exclusively on Nvidia chips. The circular logic is obvious. Nvidia invests in SpaceX. SpaceX commits to exclusive Nvidia chips. Nvidia's stake grows. The ecosystem reinforces itself. But here's the question every investor should ask. Is this visionary capital allocation, or is this a bubble where the same companies are bidding up each other's valuations? The answer probably lies in between. SpaceX is genuinely building something unprecedented: orbital AI infrastructure. That's worth real money. But when the world's biggest tech companies are all holding massive stakes in the same company, and those stakes are growing together, execution risk becomes existential. One major failure, and $118 billion evaporates instantly. The real story isn't the number. It's what the number reveals. The future of tech infrastructure belongs to whoever controls computation, connectivity, and capital. And right now, those 4 players are betting their fortunes that SpaceX is the winner. I'm Elsie Sky, and this is your pulse on what's viral. Hit subscribe and never miss a move.